Presenting a pre-owned 2013 GMC Yukon XL SLT 1500 4x4. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 86,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.